Third Standard Maths Essay 2 Exams Revision Pattern. A. Find two fractions equalate to each of the following fraction. You have to find two equalator. So 2 upon 6. So how we are finding this one? 2 upon 6. You have to multiply same number, 2 into 2, and here the numerator you have to take 2 only. If you are taking the same numerator and denominator, then it is coming equalator fraction. So 2 into 2 4 and 6 into 2 12. Second one, again we are taking another one equalator fraction, 2 upon 6. We are multiplying same number, numerator and denominator, that is why we are taken 3. If you are taking 4, 5, okay, no problem. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 18. So the equalator is 2 upon 6 is equal to, that is a 4 upon 12 and 6 upon 18. Then here it is a, what comes? This is a 8 upon, this is a 24. Like this you have to move. Now second one, 8 upon 11. So we are multiplying the 2. The 8 into 2, 16, and 11 into 2, 22, and 16 upon 22. Another one, we are multiplying the same number, numerator and denominator. So 8 into 3, 24, 11 into 3, 33, 16 upon 23, and 24 upon 33. If you want, you can move any number you have to take, but it is the same number you have to multiply. B. Convert to the 24 hours format. You have to convert the 24 hours. Now 3:55 a.m. 3:55 a.m. morning means you have to write same, but you have to write on 0355 hours. Now 4:34 p.m. 4:34 p.m. So 4 means, see, 12, 1 means 13, 2 means like this you have to go, and 4, that is a 16:34 hours. 12 midnight means that is a 0000 hours. Then 10:45 p.m. 10:45 p.m. means, so 22:45 hours. 10:45 p.m. p.m. means you have to make that one 12, 13, 14, 15 like this, and the 10 is 22 and minutes, that is a 45. 22:45 hours. Now C1, write the name of each of the following figures. See, here it is, AB is there. This is AB what? Ray AB, and this is a line segment MN, and this is a, which one? Ray XY. This is a ray XY, and this is a line segment, so line segment ST, and this is also line segment PQ. D1, convert into the months. 7 years 6 months. So 1 year we have to do this one, that is a 7 years. We are converting into the months. Here it is a months, we are not doing anything. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 7 years is equal to 7 into 12 months, that is 84 months. 84 months plus 6 months, that is a 90 months. Now second one, 3 years 10 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. First we are converting this one month, years to month. So 3 years means 3 into 12 months, that is a 36 months, and 10 months we have to add. So 36 months plus 10 months, that is a 46 months. Now converting into the rupees. See, 700 paisa is there. You have to convert rupees. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 700 paisa is what? We have to divide. So 700 divided by 10. Then 2 zeros are cross out and remaining 7. So rupees 7. 876 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 876 divided by 100. So this 2 is what we have to do. Here we are writing 876. Afterwards 1 and 2. So here 1 and 2, here we have to put the decimal point here. So 8 rupees 76 paisa. Fill in the blanks. See, 732 centimeter dash centimeter plus dash centimeter is equal to dash meter and dash centimeter. So 700 centimeter. So 700 centimeter means 7 meter. So 32 centimeter, that is a 32 centimeter. Here 2014 centimeter. 14,000 centimeter means what? 2014 centimeter. First, that is a dash centimeter. Dash centimeter is equal to meter, dash meter and centimeter. 2000 centimeter means 20 meter plus 14 centimeter, that is a 14 centimeter. 132 centimeter, that is a 100 centimeter, that is a 1 meter, and plus that is a 32 centimeter. So 32 centimeter. Now 1498 centimeter. First we have to centimeter, we have to convert centimeter. Then 1400 centimeter plus 98 centimeter, that is a 14 meter and 98 centimeter. 1781 meter means, so what you have to do, this is a, you have to converting this in meter, then this is a kilometer is there, yes, no, kilometer and meter. So 1700 meter plus 81 meter, so kilometer means 17 kilometer, 81 meter. 3257 meter, that is a 32, that is 3200 meter plus 57 meter is equal to 32 kilometer. Then dash meter means 70, that is a 57 meter. 5289 meter is equal to 5089 meter they are telling. So afterwards this is dash kilometer, dash meter. So here it is a meter and meter. So 5200 meter plus 89 meter. So 52 kilometer, that is a 89 meter. 3000 gram means is equal to 3 kg. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 3, that is a kg we want. So how many kgs means we have to multiply, that is 1 into, that is a, we have to divide, that is a 3000 divided by 1000, we are getting 3 kgs. Now 5678 grams. So how we are making this one kg and gram? So this is a 5000 means that is a 5 kg and remaining the last 3 digit, that is a gram. So 678 gram, 5 kg 678 gram. Here it is a liter and milliliter. So 9878 milliliter. So 1 liter it is a 1000 liter. Yes or no? Milliliter. Now what we have to do? One, that is a 9000 means that is a 9 liter and your remaining 3 digits are milliliter, 878 milliliter. Now 8753 milliliter. How we are making this one liter and milliliter? First last digit 3 digit, that is a milliliter and this one is liter. So 8 liter 753 milliliter. Now arrange the following in the columns and add G1. So first here the number is there, then afterwards you have to arrange the column. 135 kilometer and 256 meter and means you have to add that one. So 60 kilometer 43 meter. So we have to write in column, say 135 in kilometer and meter, 256 plus 60 and 43 meter. So 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 4 9 and 2 plus 0 2 and 5 plus 0 5 and 3 plus 6, that's 9 and 1. So 195 kilometer 299 meter. Now here it is the same, 49 meter 67 centimeter. So we have to add this one and whatever the answer is coming, that is a 172 meter 72 centimeter. This one also 166 kg and 502 gram. See, we have to write down like this columns and that is a 4 kg. 4 kg means in one column here write down and 82 and 92 kg and 700 gram. 2 plus 2 4 and 0 plus 8, 8 plus 0 8 only. 7 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 7 means 12, and 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 4 that is 11, 11 plus 2 13, 1 plus 6 means 7, 7 plus 9 16, and 1 plus 1 2, 263 kg, 284 gram. This also we have to add liter and milliliter. We have to make a column liter 1 and milliliter. Afterwards you are adding this one. We are getting that is a 62 liter 383 milliliter. Now arrange the following in the columns and subtract. So we have to arrange the column. Here not telling the subtract from, they are not telling, they are given the directly. They are not mention any subtracting from. So here they are given, we have to arrange the column and we have to write down 45 kg 324 grams. So gram is here and kg is here, and 37 kg and 685 gram. So you have to subtract, and the answer is 7 kg 639 grams. This one also same. Okay, you have to make a method. We have to make a columns, and first which is the larger, which is the more, we have to write on first. We are subtracting this one, so 95 is a bigger, so 95 this is a kilometer and 605 meter. So afterwards we are subtracting, we are getting 30 kilometer 110 meter. This also same. We are doing this one subtraction. 10 liter 34 342 milliliter and 6 liter 121 milliliter. After we are getting 4 liter, we are subtracting this one, 4 liter 221 milliliter. Write the name of the lines and rays. So lines, see this is a line segment, yes or no? Which is the lines? That one you write down. So NR is a line, FS is a line, PT is a line, and MQ is a line. Rays they are telling. So now ON, OF, OP, OQ, OR, OS, OT, OM is a rays. Now draw the line segment of the following lengths. So 7 centimeter. You have to take a scale. And mark it 0 up to 7, and afterwards you have to put the line. This is a 7 centimeter. Then 10 centimeter. What you have to do? 10 centimeter. This one is 10 centimeter. You have to draw this one. 5 meter. 5 centimeter. Not meter. Centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay. Now following the patterns of the numbers and fill in the missing numbers. See 100, 150, 250, 200, 250. This is increasing by 50, 50, 50. 250, 300, 350. 25, 24. This is what? This is a decreasing order. 23, 22, 21, 20. This one is 3, 4, 3, 4. This is a pattern. 3 first, 4, 3, 4 and 3, 4. 22, 44. Here it is adding by 22. So 44, 66, 88, 110, 300, 132. Here it is the table given below. Shown the number of children in a school who play different sport. So this is what pictograph you have to draw. Sports and number of children. Football 60 students are here. Cricket 70 students are here, and volleyball 25, and here it is a basket 40. So we have to draw the pictogram. What we have to mention? First we have to mention one smiley is equal to 10 children and half smiley is a 5 children. So football means 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have to draw 6 smileys. Cricket 70. 1, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 7 smiley. Volleyball 25. 10, 20. Half means what they told? 5 children. So 10, 20, 25. 2 smileys and half 1 smiley. And basketball 140 basketball and 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have to draw 4 smileys. Now M1, the number of flies in the each jar are jar 1 30, jar 2 24, jar 3 40, jar 4 28, and representing the data through the tally. They are telling tally mass, they are telling, so you have to make a tally. First you write on jar and number of the flies 1 30, like this you have to write down. Afterwards tally mass. What they told, first jar 30. See 1 2 3 4 5. 5 means you have to cross this one. 4 lines afterwards. 5 means you have to cross this one. 5 10 15 20 25 30. 24 they told. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24, like this. 40. See 5, we are considering this is 5. 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40. This one line you have to draw this one. 28. So 5 10 15 20 25 26 27 28. And word problem also is there, just you have to revise.